What's up, guys? Happy Friday! Ay, Dios mío, qué guapo. Here's my other baby. Today we are going swimming. So I don't have a bathing suit, so this is what I'm wearing. Somebody was staring at me. Vámonos. Ya llegamos, Vicky. Let's go. Let's go. Aiden left us. Por acá, ven. Ooh, guys, it's a little windy and it's cloudy. I don't know if I can do this. There it is. Ay. Oh my God. Oh. It's cold. It's so cold. The sun has left us. I'm too cold for this. Qué frío hace. Está frío. Where's the sun when you need it? Okay. Oh, you're floating.
Even I'm cold.
It's time to get out. There's no sun. It's all kind of cloudy. Okay, go.
Go. Ah! I want to do that.
There's my jump. What?
My feet are moving, but the stones are not moving them.
Because you're cold. It's freezing. Good morning. It's another day. Here she goes. I'm gonna go get some breakfast this morning. But it's such an ugly day. Huh? It's raining. Say good morning.
It's hard to put on.
Waffle. Así se dice.
Quiero esto y esto.
Okay, soldier. Eric got that. I got this. And then we got a waffle too. Yummy. Yummy. Time to eat. Hello. We just got done eating breakfast. We're all nice and full. We're here at Home Depot, of course. I feel like we're always at Home Depot. So Eric wants to go buy like the little pole that you put in the closet for the nursery, hang up his clothes and whatnot. And it's raining today. It's gonna rain all weekend, which sucks because I feel like we're just gonna be stuck at home. But it's been raining a lot. So I know. You get all wet and mushy. But we are going to probably just go to a few stores and then head back home because obviously who wants to be out in the rain? And oh my God, guys, I am almost at 1,000 subscribers. Oh my God. I can't believe it. Oh my God, thank you so much. When I hit those 1,000 subscribers, I'm making a whole video because I'm extra. I'm just so like I can't believe it. Like I just recently reached 900 and now I'm at like 970 something, and I'm just like, oh my God, I'm almost there. And my birthday is next week, and I told Eric, like, what a coincidence if I get 1,000 on my birthday. That'll be like the best birthday present ever. So I'm excited. Just wanted to tell you guys thank you so much. for just watching us, liking our videos, subscribing, commenting, and leaving all the love that you guys do. And yeah, guys, it means a lot. It really, really does. Is that for me? Oh, this is for me.
For the baby.
But yes, so
Kids.
oh,
For you.
okay, thank you.
That's for eating.
No, we're gonna cry. You're driving. We can't do that. We're in Marshall's. I'm looking for some curtains. Hopefully I find something. We'll see. That's nice. But I want a black one.
And you can, mommy.
No. So we're in Best Buy now. We didn't find what we were looking for in Marshall's. I wanted to take a quick peek at the cameras. Here's the one I always hear about the most is the Canon G7X. It's nice. I like this one the best. I already looked through the rest of them, and like this one, I look like orangey, and then this one, I feel like I look like my normal skin color. Like the color is really good in this one, and it focuses really good too. So babe, can I get this one for my birthday?
Yes.
But for now, my little camera will do. My camera is not that bad. I think the quality is good. I just want a screen that's a little bigger.
Noel.
This rain ruins everything.
I know.
Rainy day and cranky baby. It's time to go home. Finally home. I'm so tired. Don't rainy days make you so like sleepy? I feel like it ruined our day. We didn't get to go to the stores that we needed to go to. There's just too much going on. Hey guys, so we tried to do the baby mama dance. Oh my god. It's harder than it looks. I feel like those 2 minutes were so long. I didn't know what else to do. So I hope it turned out good. If it didn't, I won't be posting it. We tried our best, and then the boys were kind of cranky. They didn't want to be in it, so it was hard. I wanted it to be like my whole family in it, but you know, kids only want to do stuff when they want to, so that was a fail. I'm gonna put my hair up real quick. I'm gonna make me my strawberry slushy / smoothie. I'm gonna make a lot because everybody always wants mine. And then add some water, tea, little sugar, a little. Yes. So we're gonna go get some groceries, not groceries, but just get a couple of things. And of course it's still raining. Like, go away. God, I hate being out in the rain. Go away. It looks healthy right now. Let's see, so we needed to come pick up a few things. Where's the other one?
What?
We'll see. Pero de otro sabor. I think they don't have any more. Oh. My nerve pain is like hurting me bad right now. I can barely walk. We're all done. Woo, that was a long little trip. He's gonna go get the car because it's raining. We just came for a couple of things. Aiden, back over here. And we came out with all this. It always happens, always.
What was that, a phone you got?
A what?
What you were holding?
Oh no, it's a little camera. Do you guys see? I hate recording in public. I'm not that comfortable. Somebody was like, what is that in your hand? Is that a phone? I was like, oh no, it's a camera. I was embarrassed. I can't wait till I get to that level where I'm comfortable, but one day. Thank you for helping. Dale.
Cuidado, llévate la bolsita.
Help daddy with the groceries. Go, go, go. All right, groceries are put away. Oh my God, look at our fridge. It looks nice and full, colorful. Okay, now to make some dinner. So for dinner, we're having some sirloin steak, green beans, macaroni and cheese, and this bread here. They're really, really good. Food's almost done, so we're about to eat dinner. It rains literally like your whole weekend, but when you go to work, sun's out, it's nice and hot. Stuff like this always happens. Food's ready. Got macaroni, green beans, and steaks. And these breads, oh my God, these are so good. Good. And with our A1 sauce.
The green beans is good.
All right. We're about to eat. And it's gone. We're about to get on Hulu and watch, I want to watch a scary movie. They Come Knocking. Have you guys seen it? So that's what we're gonna do. And just gonna end the video here. It's been a long, rainy weekend. Have a great night, have a great weekend, have a great day, have a great morning, whatever time it is that you're watching us.
Adios.